Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
वो क्वेश्चन आपने बताया था ना, क्या कहते हैं, जिसमें हमें फैक्ट देखना था 4 के अकॉर्डिंग। तो आपने जो आंसर बताया था वो ए था, लाइक 8
Just a second. I'm not
ABCD।
able to get you. Just a second. Your voice is echoing. Just a second.
ओके।
Yeah, tell me now. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the screen is visible now. Any doubts from the previous session? One of you was asking about the doubt.
Yes sir, me।
Yeah, tell me.
सर वो क्या कहते हैं, जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें ये 2022 का क्वेश्चन था, जिसमें मिडल जैसे ABCDEF नंबर था, जिसमें हमें उनके CDE का जो है निकालना था,
सम निकालना था। यार रिमेंबर, उसमें लास्ट वाला नंबर काट के उसको 9 से डिविजिबिलिटी होती है।
हाँ सर, उसमें मुझे क्या कहते हैं 6, वो जो 4 का फैक्टर वाला पॉइंट आपने बताया था ना, आई एम हैविंग द डाउट कि जो A और D में से D भी तो आंसर हो सकता है ना, क्योंकि 12 भी तो है ना फैक्टर, क्या कहते हैं 4 का। आप उसको एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे, क्वेश्चन समझा देंगे दोबारा?
तो आई हैव नॉट टेकन इट। चलो फिर भी आई विल ट्राई टू डू इट। बेसिकली उसमें क्या था, नाउ हैव टू एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन मैंने लिया नहीं। ओके, कीप मी रिमाइंडेड, आई विल टेक इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके, before we take it to the next class, I'll take this okay. So I think nobody else gonna join, so let's start it. Today we're gonna start, first we'll start with divisibility. Okay, then we'll see power, and then we'll see how to find the unit place. Okay, and then we'll do some for PYQs, and then I'll give you some homework to solve yourself. Last time Shah sir was telling me that you guys are having problem that some different concept is there. So okay, I have understood that thing. Now the course will be streamlined. That's why only I have chosen those questions only that are just applicable on the basis of the today's question, today's discussions only. Okay. So when we'll start divisibility, pardon me, we'll start divisibility. Then we'll start divisibility from all together. Okay. We'll start divisibility from all. Okay. So let's look at this. Now, first I want to ask you, do you have any doubt in divisibility by 2? If the unit place is 0, 2, 4,
no sir,
8, then the number will be divisible. I think it's quite simple. Any doubt in divisibility by 3? Simple is that if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay. See, 3 and 9 both are same. In case of 9, if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9. Similarly, in the case of 3, if the sum of digits are divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3 or 9. Okay. I'll take an example. Choose any number. 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1. Okay. It's a 7-digit number. What is the sum of this digit? 5 plus 1? 6. 6 plus 2? 8. 8 plus 2? 1. 9. Okay. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That means this number will be divisible by 3. Is 9 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 cross 1 is 9. That means this number will also be divisible by 9. Why I'm saying this? Because when we will analyze PY question, there are many questions that are being asked on the divisibility of 3 and 9. Okay. Today when we'll solve few questions, then also you will realize that. That's why keep in mind. Any doubts in that? Let me repeat it once again. Sum of the digits are divisible by 3 or 9, then that number will be divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, as simple as that. Now, since you are getting confused because I didn't teach you the divisibility of 4. Okay. Now, for determining the divisibility of 4, you just have to look at the last 2 digits. If that last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. Okay, take a number 5216982. Is 32 divisible by 4? 4 cross 8 is 32. That means 32 is divisible by 4. Since 32 is divisible by 4, that means this whole number will be divisible by 4. Take another number 546928808. Look at the last 2 digits 0 and 8. Is 08 divisible by 4? Yes. Yes, Nikhil, ask. Any doubt, Nikhil? Okay. Those who want to can ask and unmute themselves. I have said I have just kept allow. I have allowed because last time many disturbances there. Okay. I have allowed. Yes. Okay. I have allowed those who want to ask a question can unmute themselves and ask a question. Okay. Are you able to unmute yourself? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. No? Otherwise, I thought
Yes,
some
sir.
more technical glitch has happened. Okay. Now look at this number. Okay. 08. Since 08 is a factor of 4, that means this whole number will be divisible by 4. Any doubt up to now in divisibility of 2, 3 or 4?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's move on to divisibility by 4. Okay. 5. 5 is simple. You just have to look at the unit place. If it is 0 or 5, that means the number will be divisible by 5. That's why, see, on those questions, this 2 application was served. They have asked for divisibility of 9 also, 6 also, 4 also, 5 also, 3 also, 2 also, 1 also. Okay. But I asked you to ignore this. Do not look for this. Look for these 2 divisibilities. Since the last number, that CDE, this E, AB, okay, this E was divisible by 5. That means this E either has to be 0 or has to be 5. Okay. And then after deleting this, then ABCD was there. This ABCD was divisible by 4. That means CD must be divisible by 4. Okay. Now then after we have to look for option. There were 8 was there. So if you put E equal to 5 and CD directly it's coming 12. Okay. Then this number will come C plus D plus E will come to be 8, which was a option. You got confused because divisibility of 4 was not taught to you. Okay. Go through this question once again. If you find it again to be difficult or any doubt is there, then just let me know. I'll explain it to once again. Okay. Now, okay. So I was on divisibility of 5. Just look at unit place. If it is 0 or 5, that means this number will be divisible by 5. If it is, look for similarity. In 2, what we look for? We look for unit place. In 4, what we look for? We look for last 2 digits. Okay. And when I will teach you 8 we will look for last 3 digits. If the first digit is divisible by 2, that means this number will be divisible by 2. If last 2 is divisible by 4, that means this number will be divisible by 4. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, that means this number will be divisible by 8. Okay. And for 3 or 9, I said, 3 and 9, I said, look for sum of digits. If sum of digits is multiple of 3 or 9, 3 or 9, then this number will be divisible by 3 or 9. Okay. So I was on 5. Okay. For 6, you have to check. 6 is a multiple of what? 2 cross 3. So you will have to check for the divisibility of 2. You will have to check for the divisibility of 3. And if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. Okay. Let's look at a number. 5, 1, 2, 0, 2, 4. Okay. Now what is the sum of digits? 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 10, plus 2 4 14. Okay. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Divisible by 2. Sum of digit is 14. Is 14 a multiple of 3? No. So is this number will be divisible by 3? No. Since it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, this number will not be divisible by 6. Any doubts up to now in divisibility of 5 and 6? I hope so. When we'll do the example, then more clarity will come. But just keep writing whatever I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Now, most complicated is divisibility of 7. Okay. Students often get confused in divisibility of 7, and it's indeed is a confused one. Okay. So just pay attention. For a number to be divisible by 7, difference between twice the digit at unit place and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Okay. Forget about the 0. Okay. Just concentrate it on a multiple of 7. What this question is trying to, divisibilities of 7 is trying to tell you. Suppose a number is there, x, y, z, 6, zc. Okay. Suppose this number is there. Now, if you want to check for the divisibility, take c, multiply it by 2. Okay. And subtract this from this. The resultant number, if comes out to be a multiple of 7, then this number will be divisible by 7. Confused? I know. I'll have to give you an example. Okay. Just listen. Take a number 6, 1, 2. Suppose this number. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to take 2, twice it. Twice means multiply it by 2. 2 cross 2 is 4. And then you have to take this number 61. 61. Subtract 4 from it. What will come? 57. Is 57 a multiple of 7? Is 57 a multiple of 7? No. 7 cross 8 is 56. That means this number will not be divisible by 7. Okay. Now look for a known number that you think is divisible by 7. Suppose, let's say 140 is there. 7 cross 20 is 140, we all know. What is the unit place? 0. What will be the twice of unit place? 0. Now take 14, subtract 0 out of it. What will come? 14. Is 14 a multiple of 7? Yes, 7 cross 2 is 14. That means this number 140 is divisible by 7. Okay. Yeah, Tisha, please.
So what if the number is like very big digit?
That is why I say it's difficult. If the number is big, 6, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 8 is there, then you have to twice the number. Okay, that's why I say it's difficult. And generally the question, if there is asked and the number given is greater than 5 digits, I'll suggest you to leave that question. Okay. But it will depend on case to case. The rule says this only and there is no other shortcut. If a number is there 6, 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, let me just erase the ink. Last time this issue was also there, so you are not able to erase the ink. Okay, so I've learned it. See, that's how it's done. Okay, suppose there is number 6, 1, 2, 8, 9, 5, 6. Okay, I don't know whether it is divisible by 6 or 7 now. You just have to twice the number, multiply it by 2. It will give you 12. What will number come? 6, 1, 3, 2, 8, 9. And then you have to subtract. See, the question will never ask you whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. The question will always ask you the application. Last time when we solved that question, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this subtract and this becomes divisible by 9. So this is not an exact number. Obviously, UPSC is not that stupid that they will give you an 15-digit number and then they will ask you about the divisibility of 7. That's why when I say, just look at the application. Okay. Only the application will be of importance. So this question, you don't exactly have to find the number. You just have to use the application divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 7. 4 only. And on the basis of option that were given, 8, 9, 11, and 12, I thought these 4 were the options. You have to find your answer. Okay. Now I have given you homework in one of the question. So you will come to know how these techniques are getting applied in that. Right now, only thing is you have to understand the concept. Do not go for the exact number. Okay. Just understand the concept, how the divisibility is getting used in your answers. Obviously, when we will try PYQ, then you will learn more about it. Okay. Any doubt up to now? Yes, no, cannot say. Everything is getting bounced.
No, sir. No doubt.
पर्थ की पिच तो नहीं बनी हुई, अपनी कोटला की पिच ही है ना ये. ठीक, पर्थ की पिच नहीं बननी चाहिए. Rest is assured. Okay, पर्थ की पिच बनेगी. That's why, because see, I was doing the analysis in 2022. 9 questions are from number system. Okay. So you see, out of 89 is coming. That means more than 10% of the whole syllabus. That includes aptitude also, reasoning also, maths, English also. And 6 or 7 questions are bound to come every year. And these are low-hanging fruits. Okay. That's why always the course is started with number system, because it's the basic. अगर नंबर सिस्टम को समझने में आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आगे परसेंटेज, फ्रैक्शंस, एलसीएम, एचसीएफ, ओके, वो सब समझने में प्रॉब्लम होगी. That's why when I said if you are having any doubt, do ask them. Okay, as in जितनी जल्दी क्लियर हो सकता है. Okay, चलो,
Sir,
let's move. Yeah, sure. Tell me.
sir, please explain the divisibility rule of 7.
Divisibility of 7.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I'll give you an example, simple one. Let's say. Take a number 321468. Take a number. When I take a number, I myself don't know. I'm not a supercomputer. I can calculate it. Okay. Now, if you have to check for the divisibility of 7, what you have to do is you have to take the unit place. Okay. You have to multiply it by 2. And then you have to take rest of the digits. What are the rest of the digits? 3, 2, 1, 4, and 6. And then you have to subtract this number. So what will come here? 3, 2, 1, 3, 0. If this number is divisible, divisible by 7, then this whole number that we have taken 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, and 8, that will be divisible by 7. Okay. I think clear. Now it's clear. Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear. See, don't look for the exact number. UPSC will not ask you. They will ask you for the application. For making you understand the application I am here. Okay. Now look for the divisibility of 8. What is the condition of divisibility of 2?
Last 3 digit divisible by 8, sir.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying last is 8. Suppose this number is here. Take this example only. 57832. Look for the last digit. What is last digit? 832. Is 832 divisible by 8? Yes. 104. That means this number 57832 will be divisible by 8. So look for the application only. And the trick is to remember this 2 square is 4. So in 4, you have to look for last 2 digits. Okay. Now look for this number 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. That means you have to look for last 3 digit. And 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. What is this? 1. That means you have to look at the last digit only. This is a trick to remember, how to remember the divisibility. I hope it's clear up till 8th. Should we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Divisibility of 9, I already told you. If the sum of the digits is a factor of 9. Suppose a number, any number is there, A, B, C, D, E. If on adding a number, your sum comes to be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, whatever. That means this number will be divisible by 9. It's simple, as in the case of 3. So is the case of 9. Okay. Now for a divisibility of 10, you just have to check for last digit. If last digit is 0, that means this will be divisible by 10. If last digit is 0 and 5, that means it will be divisible by 5. Obviously, those numbers that are divisible by 10 will also be divisible by 5. Okay. Take any number 3216890. Suppose this is 0 here. You don't have to look for anything. This will be divisible by 10 as well as divisible by 5. Okay. Obviously, this will also be divisible by 45, but we don't have to go that far. See, when I'm teaching you all this, you do not have to remember this number. You just have to remember the concept. Okay. Now we'll check for the before going for a divisibility. Let's do a question. Question करने का बहुत मन हो रहा है, so let's do a question. Then we'll come back to it. Okay. This is it visible to you? I don't think so.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in the previous question. I have texted in your chat box.
You just raise your hand and can speak it here only.
Okay, sir. I couldn't unmute the mic. That's why I have texted in this chat box. Can you
Okay,
please
okay.
check that?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Okay, thank you.
4 cross 3, what is the multiple of 3? Substitution 9 and 4 and 4 points. What the multiple option B and C are not correct. If 1 plus 2 plus 5, then 1 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 12, 1, 2, 4, 5. Both mention the options. Okay, I'll get back to you. You have the same doubt as the previous, that ABCD wala question, that thing. Na? I'll take it for that because I don't have the question right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now look at this question. This question was asked in UPSC.
Sir, no question can be seen.
Yeah, am I? Okay, let me just keep it here. Let me write the question. Let x, y, z be a 3-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of.
Sir, it's visible now.
Now visible, is not a multiple of 3. Okay. Then x plus y plus z. Okay, I think the question is now visible from here.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. This is the starting of the question. Let x y be a 3-digit number where x y z is not a multiple of 3. Then x y plus z plus y z plus x plus z x y is not divisible by. You have to find the option. Okay. Now, when I said in the course that we'll look for the most simplest way, the traditional matter is, since this is a 3-digit number, you have to break down into 3 digits. X y z can be written as 1000 multiplied by x plus 100 multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by z. Okay. Suppose the number 532 is there. Oh, 3-digit number, sorry. This is 100. So 532 can be written as 100 multiplied by 5 plus 10 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Okay. This is a traditional approach. We will not go into that. Since this is the latest question, that's why I choose to take this question. What is the condition given? Let x, y, z be a 3-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. Okay. That simply means that you cannot take x equal to 1, y equal to 1, or z equal to 1, because x plus y and z will become 3, and the 3 is a multiple of 3. Okay. Now, can we take y equal to 0? Can we take y equal to 0? Yes. Can we take z equal to 0? Yes. Now look for this. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Which is the smallest 3-digit number? It's 100.
100.
100. This is a 3-digit number. Okay. Is 1 plus 0 plus 0 a multiple of 3? No. 1 is not a multiple of 3. ठीक है, both of our condition are getting satisfied. X, Y, Z is a 3-digit number. X, Y, Z and Z is not a multiple of 3. That's it. You take X, Y, Z equal to 100. If you take X, Y, Z equal to 100, then Y, Z, X will become 0, 0, 1 and Z, X, Y will become 0, 1, 0. What is its sums? 1, 1, 1. Now look at the option. Is 1, 1, 1 divisible by 3? What is the sum of the digit? 3.
Yes, sir.
That
It's
means
divisible.
3 is divisible by 3. Is 1, 1, 1 divisible? What is the sum of 1, 1, 1? 3. Is 3 a multiple of 9? No. 3 is not a multiple of 9. So what will be the answer? 9. As simple as that. You do not even have to check for the other options. This is a latest question. Any doubts? I know there will be doubts. Let's do it once again.
Sir, please explain the last part.
I'll give it because I think it's not visible.
Sum is
Okay.
1, 1, 1.
Yeah, sure. No issues. Our condition was there. X, Y, Z is a 3-digit number where X plus Y plus Z is not a multiple of 3. Okay. Then you have to find whether this number is not divisible by. You have to find this question. Okay. Now look for the. जैसे ही हमने देखा कि X, Y, Z is a 3-digit number, we should be striking. What is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Okay. What is X plus Y plus Z? 1. Both of conditions are getting satisfied. This is a 3-digit number, and this, the sum that is 1 is not a multiple of 3. That's it. So you take X, Y, Z equal to 100. That means Y, Z, X will become 0, 0, 1. And Z, X, Y will become 0, 1, 0. What is their sum? 1, 1, 1. Now look for the condition of divisibility. I said a number to be divisible by 3, the sum must be divisible by 3. That means 1 plus 1 is plus 1 is for how much? 3. 3 is divisible by 3. That means this number 1, 1, 1 will be divisible by 3. Okay. What I told you about 9, that sum of digit must be a multiple of 9. Is 3 a multiple of 9? No. Multiple of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Okay. 3 is not a multiple of 9. So what will be your answer? 9. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Everyone, I want to ask everyone. Any doubts? Now see,
No, sir.
all of you must have attended this question in UPSC, and most of you have left it. That's why when I say do not look for the exact number, look for the application of the concept that I'm teaching you. Okay. The question will only be solved by substitution, elimination, as well as concept building. Okay. Now, what was this? Is that a difficult question? No, but most of you must have left it. You can take any number. I just took 100 just because it's simple. You can take also 121. Okay, 121 or 131 as per when x plus y plus z is not multiple of 3. And this should not be 369, the sum. You can take any number. I just took 100 because 100 is the simplest number. Okay. You can take also 121. You can take 131. You can take even 143 because this is number is 8, which is not a multiple of 3. Then why to complicate the things when we can do it one simpler manner? 100 only we can get our answer. So why to complicate the things? Yeah, Shahjad Ali, please do ask.
सर जहाँ आपने लास्ट में समझाया ना, यहाँ से 9 सम ऑफ दैट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, सर प्लीज एक बार रिपीट कर दोगे?
मैं दोबारा करता हूँ, जस्ट a second. See, when I was teaching you the divisibility, okay, मैंने आपको divisibility of 9 में क्या बताया था? That a number to be divisible by 9, अगर किसी नंबर को 9 से divisible होना है तो उनके जो डिजिट्स है उनका जो सम है वो 9 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. 9 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए तो मतलब 9 के मल्टीपल कौन कौन से होते हैं? 9 क्रॉस 1 is 9, 18, 27. ठीक है.
Yes,
जब हमने ये नंबर निकाला तो हमारा नंबर क्या आया? सम, इसका सम x plus y z 111 आया. 111 को ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 3. क्या 3 9 का मल्टीपल है? नहीं है. नहीं है. जब 3 9 का मल्टीपल है तो क्या 111 9 से डिविजिबल होगा? नहीं होगा. तो हम लोगों से पूछा क्या गया था? Then this x y z is not divisible by. ये तो हमें जानना था कि ये किससे डिविजिबल नहीं है. हमारा आंसर
ओके सर.
9 से.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
No issues. Thank you. Okay. Any doubt in this question?
सर 37 क्यों नहीं होगा सर? मतलब
37 को तो चेक ही नहीं करना ना. आप एक बार मंजिल तक पहुंच गए तो क्या आप वापस देखने जाओगे कि नहीं यार दूसरी जगह? एक बार if you become an IAS one time, will you again try for IAS or IFS? That's for the option. See, the time is limited ना.
ठीक है.
Okay. When we get our answer is in front of us, why we should check for the divisibility? If you want to check, see 37 cross 3 is 1 2 1 1. So it is divisible by 37. 37 cross 3 is 1 1 1 only. Okay. But I don't want to go there because that's our not question. Other people will get confused. जैसे हमारा option 9 आया, that's it. Move forward. There are other questions also to be attempted. Okay. Okay. चलो. Now we'll do this question. दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा होगा. चलो.
Yes,
I'll explain to you.
Visible, sir.
दिख रहा है सर.
विजिबल सर.
दिख रहा है. Okay. What should be the value of A and B such that 1A 8B, यहाँ पे सारी एप्लीकेशन आ जाएंगी आपकी, is divisible by 2 3 4 6 7 and 8. ठीक है, सारी डिविजिबिलिटी आ गई. ये हमें कोई नंबर दे रखा है 1A 8B. We have to find the value of A and B such that this number is divisible by 2 3 4 6 7 and 8. Now पहली चीज आपको स्ट्राइक होनी चाहिए कि none of these नहीं होगा. None of these होता तो क्यों अपना दिमाग लगाता यूपीएससी निकालने में. So none of these will not be there. Okay. अब ये चीज आती है कि हम लोग डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 का क्या मैंने कंडीशन बताई थी? यूनिट प्लेस. इफ यूनिट प्लेस इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, दैट मींस यूनिट प्लेस हैज टू बी इवन. लास्ट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट याद करो, लास्ट क्लास का इवन एंड ऑड वाला. ओके. All even numbers are divisible by 2. That means B cannot be an odd number. Look for A option. What is B given here? B is given here 5. So B can B be 5? If this number 1A ये number बन जाएगा. Is this number divisible by 2? If we put B equal to 5, this number become 1A 8 5. Is 5 divisible by 2? No. So this will also be not be an option. So even before looking at that other option, you just eliminate 2. ए तो होगा भी नहीं एंड डी नहीं हो सकता. लेट्स लुक फॉर अदर ऑप्शंस. ठीक है. नाउ वी लुक फॉर द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 4. ओके, सी दिस ऑप्शन. When this type of question is asked, do not do बहुत ज्यादा इसमें, do not pay rocket science, just substitute the value. A here is given to be 4, B here is given to be 2. Just substitute the value. What will number become? 1, 4, 8, 2. Now when I told you divisibility of 4, तो मैंने क्या कहा था? Look for the last 2 digit. If last 2 digit are divisible by 4, then this whole number will be divisible by 4. Is 82 divisible by 4?
No, sir.
No. 4 cross 20 is 80. 2 will be the remainder. Okay. Since 82 is not divisible by 4, that means 1482 will also be not divisible by 4. So our option here cannot be A equal to 4 or B equal to 2. This also get ruled out. What is left here? A equal to 6, B equal to 0. Okay. So see, they have asked for the divisibility of how many numbers? 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We do not have to look for that. Okay. We'll just have to check for the divisibility of 2. A maximum on 2 out of them, only 2. Okay. And substituting. See, like in last question, what I did, I substituted XYZ equal to, I assumed the number. You just have to satisfy the condition. And then you, that's why I love maths. You can play. खेलना जिसको बोलते हैं ना, खेला होबे, मोदी जी बोलते हैं बंगाल में. So you have to just satisfy the condition. See, condition needs to be satisfied.
Mamta
Otherwise hello? Condition needs to be satisfied. Otherwise, your option will get. Once you satisfy the condition, you can take any number. जो पसंद है वो उठाओ. You will get your answer. Okay. ठीक है. Now we'll go for the divisibility of 11. This is also important. Okay. Maximum question are asked from 3, 4, or 11. Okay. Let's see what is the difference here. When the difference between sum of digits in odd place and even place is either 0 or a multiple of 11, what are the multiples of 11? Now you will tell me. 11 के क्या क्या multiple हो सकते हैं? 11, 22, 23, 44,
44,
55. Good.
yes.
तो या तो ये 0 हो या multiple of 11 हो. क्या 0 हो क्या multiple of 11 हो मैं बताता हूँ. Take a number 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 ऐसे ले लेते चलो. Let's see. Okay. You have to look for odd place. अब सबको ये समझ में आता है. This is an odd place. This is first. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. This is fifth. This is sixth. This is seventh. This is eighth. Okay. Now which of these are odds? 1 is odd. 3 is odd. 5 is odd. 7 is odd. Okay. You have to take odd place. So what is the first odd? 5. Second odd 5. Third odd 5. Fifth odd 5. And then you have to find the sum. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? 20. Okay. Write it down there. Sum of odd places is 5. Okay. Now look for even place. What is the even place? 2, 4, 6, and 8. These are the even place. What are its number? What is the first even place? 3. Second 3. Third 3. Fourth 3. What is their sum? 12. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. Sum of even place is equal to 12. See, sum of odd place was 20. Sum of even place is 12. What is the difference? 8. Is 8 0 or multiple of 11? No. That means this number will not be divisible by 11. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, जो last में बताया था.
मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, don't worry. See, take a simpler number. I know you got complicated. Okay, take a simpler number. 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 digit number we will take. Okay. Now you will be able to understand. I just take the बड़ा number, बहुत बड़े number इसलिए लेता हूँ because you don't get afraid out of it. Like वो ABCD वाला question था इतना बड़ा था. One of the girl was saying कि सर मैं तो देख के छोड़ा ही. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That's why I take bigger numbers. Okay. हमें इस नंबर की डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करनी है 11 के साथ. Okay. Obviously हम लोग डिवाइड तो नहीं करेंगे because डिवाइड करना होता तो हम लोग 4th या 5th क्लास में होते. We are UPSC aspirant, we are not supposed to divide it by 11. Okay. So what we will do, we will look for odd place. Now this is the first, this is the second place, this is third place, this is fourth place. इतना सबको समझ में आता है? That number always start from, if you want to know the place, it will start from the right only. Okay. Unit, this is the unit place. This is 10 place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place. Okay. So we will start from the back side. So this is the first place, this is second place, this is third place, this is fourth place. Now which of these are odd? 1 and 3. Places. Which of these are even? 2 and 4th. 2 and 4 places. Okay. Now you have to find the sum of digit of odd. Then you have to find sum of digits of even. And then you have to do a simple subtraction of these two numbers. Okay. Minus. Now odd places 1 and 3. So what will come? What is the first odd? First placed number? 4.
4.
4. What is the third place number? 2.
2.
4 plus 2 will give you 6.
6.
Okay. Odd will come out to be 6. Looks at the even. What is the first even place? 3.
3.
What is the fourth second even place? 4.
4.
It will have to come out to be 6. What is 6 minus 7? Minus 1.
1.
Not 1. It's minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1. Okay. So is it a multiple of 11?
No.
No, sir.
That means this number will not be divisible by 11. Again, when I am saying ki don't look at the number, look at the concept. The next question that we will do is based on this concept only. Okay. They will,
Okay, sir.
UPSC will never ask you to divide 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 8, divide by 11, tell us the remainder. No. They will always ask you for application. Okay. But they will definitely ask is the unit place. I thought of covering it here. मैंने सोचा था इस क्लास में how to find the unit place will cover. But I don't think much time is left. So we'll move on to okay, this question we did. Okay, ये समझ में आ गया सबको? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I was thinking a blank ले जाएगा. चलो कोई नहीं. Now look at this number. This was asked in UPSC CSAT 2015. Is the question visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is saying, suppose ABC multiplied by DEET gives you ABC. ये दे रहा है ना, मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. This is the question ना. Where ABCD I forget. What is the value of D and E? We have to find the value of D and E. Okay. Now look at the odd place. Which is the first odd place? This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. Now what is the first odd place? See, वहां नंबर 4264 था तो यही तो ले रहे थे हम लोग, यहाँ पे उसने सी दे दिया उसकी जगह, कोई बात नहीं,
Yes, sir.
विल टेक सी। ओके, what is the second odd place? A.
A.
What is the third odd place?
B.
Now look for the even. What is the first even place? B.
Sir, B.
What is the second even place?
C.
What is the third even place? A.
A.
Now are these two numbers similar? आप 1 + 2 + 3 लिखो या 3 + 2 + 1 लिखो, आएगा तो 6 ही। So you come to know that all this number, whether it is odd place or even place, both of them are similar.
Similar.
A plus C plus B and B plus C plus A are same thing only. आप 1 + 2 + 3 लिखो या 3 + 2 + 1 लिखो, आएगा 6 ही।
Yes, sir.
So if these numbers are similar, that means their sum will be 0.
Yes, sir.
बड़ा कमजोर यस सर आया ये वाला तो। Okay, again, if you want me to explain, I'll explain once again. Any doubts up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
एक ही की तो आवाज आ रही है, 39 बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं।
Sir, explain please.
बाकी चना खा रहे हो क्या यार तुम लोग?
No, sir.
चलो I'll explain. A number is given ABC dot DEED, भूल जाओ, gives you ABC। आप लोग ABC और D में कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, तो सिंपल ये एक ऐसा नंबर बोल रहा है कि 1 2 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, सपोज D 2 और 3 ले लेते हैं, 2 3 3 2 will give you 123 और 123। If you are getting confused in ABC, that means वो ये बोलना चाह रहा है आपसे। Okay, this is not correct, but I for example is giving. Okay, ठीक है, तो हमें D और E की वैल्यू निकालनी है, ठीक है। Okay, no issues with that. Now what I said is कि look for, अब ये this is a 6 digit number, सबको समझ में आता है, this is a 6 digit number, this is the first digit, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, this is the sixth. Okay, now this is an odd, this is odd, and this is odd. All these three are odd places. 1 3 5 है ना, तो these are odd places ना, and all these three, 6 4 and 2, these are even places, because क्या है ये 2 4 and 6 है। Okay, now odd place में we'll start adding. Now what is the first odd place? C. What is the second odd place? A. I'm marking it also here, A. What is the third? B.
B.
Okay, now look for even place. What is the first even place?
B.
This was the number A B C D.
Yes, sir.
A B C A B C. What is the first even place?
B.
What is the second? C.
C.
And what is the third?
A.
A. Okay, now as soon as you saw this, it should come to your mind that both these numbers are equal.
Similar.
If these numbers are similar, that means their difference will be what?
0.
0.
Good. Now just अभी मैंने divisibility of 11s में क्या बोला आपको कि अगर odd place और even place की sum का difference 0 हो या multiple of 11 हो, then these number will be divisible by 11. Okay, तो इतना तो हमें समझ में आ गया कि ये जो नंबर हमारा आ रहा है ABCD, वो this DEED will have something to do 11 के आसपास का कुछ होना चाहिए. Okay,
Yes.
now we'll look for options. That means इसके digit में either 1 will come or 0 will come.
Yes, sir.
Either D will be 0 or D will be 1, or either E will be 0 or E will be 1. पहले ऑप्शन दिख रहा है D equal to 2. D 2 हो सकता है कभी? नहीं.
No, sir.
क्योंकि this D double E D is a multiple of 11 या something to do with 11 only. E
Yes.
कभी 2 हो सकता है? नहीं.
No, sir.
That means A और D तो आपके वैसे ही eliminate हो गए. Now look for this. D equal to 0, E equal to 1. Put it here. D double E D. What is, if D equal to 0, this value will be 0, 1, 1, 0. Will it remain a 4-digit number? No.
No, sir.
It will become what? 110. 110 is what? 3-digit number.
3-digit number.
और पूछा क्या गया हमें? D double E D means D double D is a 4-digit number.
Yes, sir.
So this option will also be not there. पहला option देख लेते हैं. D 1 1 0. That means D is equal to 1 and E is equal to
0.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. चलो, let's do
Sir,
अब
hello?
देखते हैं. Yeah, sure. Please tell me.
सर वो क्या मेरे को ये पूछना था कि why we will go for 11 only, मतलब लाइक आपने जैसे क्वेश्चन ओपन करते आपने सीधे ऑड प्लेस और इवन प्लेस का सम ही चेक करवाया.
That's
हम उस वक्त एग्जाम प्रेशर में
this comes with experience, okay? सब see,
अच्छा.
मैंने 11 इसलिए नहीं लिया कि मेरे को वो सम ऑड और इवन दिखा. मैंने 11 इसलिए लिया बिकॉज मुझे ऑप्शन में ये दिख गया कि दिस नंबर ABC is getting repeated. 2 बार रिपीट हो रहा है ना, तो इसका किसी ना किसी 1 से ही मल्टीपल हो रहा होगा. Suppose the
Yes.
number 1 2 3 is there and it's getting repeated here only. That means it will be getting multiplied by 1 or some factor of 1 or 11 or 110. क्योंकि अगर एक भी ये 2 आ जाता, this will become what? 2 4 6. तो ये डिजिट चेंज हो जाएंगे ना आपके. This
Yes,
C will become something different. तो मुझे ऑप्शन से पहले ही पता था कि since ABC is repeating itself twice, that means it will be getting multiplied by a factor of 1 only. 1 11 110 115 11 1001 और 1110. मतलब 1 और 0 के अलावा कोई डिजिट आंसर में नहीं आएगा. जैसे ही मुझे पता चल गया 1 and 2 के अलावा कोई नहीं आएगा, D equal to 2 gets ruled out, D equal to 2 gets ruled out. फिर मैंने चेक कर लिया ऑप्शन, 2 ऑप्शन बचे. इट्स इजी टू चेक इन 2 ऑप्शंस. D double E D को मैंने पहले ही इस वाले ऑप्शन में चेक कर लिया. 0 1 1 0. I put D equal to 0. Now this 4-digit number will become a 3-digit अगर इसके पहले 0 लगा दे. Since 0 1 1 0 में 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, तो इस आंसर की भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है हमारे लिए. ओके, इट विल बिकम अ 3-digit नंबर. Only one option was there, D equal to 1.
सर ये सवाल तो सर समझ में आ जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो फटाक से हिंट कैसे करेगा कि ये 11 से
This will come with application ना. अभी तो 1 और 2 क्लासें हुई हैं, जब 25 15 20 क्लासेस हो जाएंगी, it will come striking to you. तो फटाक से हिट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. Don't worry. Okay. See, अभी you are on the basic level. Up till now you have not studied कि application कैसे करते हैं application से. That's why this course is all about your application knowledge. मैंने क्या बोला था कि I will not teach you until and unless absolute necessary कोई formula. Okay. We will always work on eliminating the techniques. Now look for इससे पहले वाला क्वेश्चन था XYZ. तो वहां से भी फटाक से आपको हिट करना चाहिए था कि अगर XYZ is equal to ये है आपका. चलो, if you are asking me to एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Okay. I was thinking to give to you homework. Discard कर देते हैं. This was it. This is your homework. Okay, do this question. UPSC 2022 9 and 8 question. अच्छा, tell me about the timing. क्या टाइमिंग रखनी है आप लोगों को?
So this timing is convenient
This timing is convenient. Is this timing convenient to all of you?
Yes, sir. The timing
Yes,
works
sir.
well.
Time is convenient.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next class will most probably have on Sunday. ये बाप रे कहाँ भाग गया ये? I don't know. Do try the question. Okay, actually मेरा टारगेट था आपको यूनिट प्लेस सिखाने का. One of this question is from unit place. Okay, so forget about that. उसको मत करना solve. Okay, look for this question 9 and 8 in UPSC 2022 and 29, 35 and 38 on UPSC 2024. Okay. And obviously we'll solve it. पिछली क्लास है इसमें there will be a question उसमें 3 to power 2018 दे रखा है या 17 दे रखा है and they have asked you to find the unit place or divided by 10. उस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ देना एंड ऑल ऑफ यू जो भी क्वेश्चन आप ये वाले उठाएंगे दिस शुड बी डिस्ट्री आईएएस के जो साइट है उससे उठाना बिकॉज मैं वहीं से उठाया हूं तो अदरवाइज साइट विल गेट डिफरेंट. आई थिंक दिस इज ए सेट एंड दिस इज बी सेट. बेटर सेफ कि इसमें जो क्वेश्चन आप व्हिचएवर साइट यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेक इट फ्रॉम डिस्ट्री साइट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल स्टार्ट विद यूनिट प्लेस और अभी स्पीड थोड़ी स्लो है तो कीप इट स्लो बिकॉज अगर नंबर सिस्टम गड़बड़ाया तो फिर पूरा एप्टीट्यूड टूट जाएगा क्योंकि इसका एप्लीकेशन आपको हर जगह मिलेगा. ठीक है. पिछले साल 18 क्वेश्चंस थे नंबर सिस्टम और एवरेज और आपका दिस थिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस नहीं इसका तो एक ही था नंबर सिस्टम एंड एवरेज और एक और टॉपिक था. 3 टॉपिक से 18 क्वेश्चंस थे. सो अगर 18 आपने ये 3 टॉपिक भी अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ लिए होते 15 यू कुड हैव गॉट इट. ठीक है. और रीजनिंग में अगर 5-6 भी निकाल लेते तो 14-15 रीजनिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन से निकाल के यू कुड हैव क्वालिफाइड. सो ठीक है स्पीड अभी स्लो है यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दोस थिंग्स. ओके थोड़ा सा स्पीड स्लो ही रखेंगे बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. एक बार आपको ये टेक्निक आ गई कि हाउ टू एलिमिनेट द आंसर एंड हाउ टू फाइंड द आंसर तो उसके बाद ये जो टेक्निक्स हैं यू विल बी एप्लीकेबल इन ऑल ऑफ योर सीसेट क्वेश्चन. जो फटाक से हिट करने वाली बात है वो अगर एक बार आपकी समझ में आ गई कि कहाँ से हिट होता है तो पूरा का पूरा सीसेट आपके लिए खेल हो जाएगा. नॉट ओनली सीसेट इवन एसएससी सीजीएल और अगर किसी का ग्रुप बी या समथिंग बैंक पीओ का एग्जाम है और समथिंग तो वो भी हो जाएगा. ओके सो डू दिस. सबने लिख लिए क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी 2022 9 and 8 and यूपीएससी 2021 29 35 and 38. ओके इसमें से एक
सर क्या इस क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग मिल सकती है? मैंने थोड़ा
आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल धीरे आ रही है मोहतरमा. प्लीज स्पीक लाउडली.
सर मैं बोल रही थी क्या इस क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग मिल सकती है? मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया था वही बोल रही थी.
इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन YouTube ओनली. यार दिस इज लाइव YouTube क्लास. आई थिंक दिस इज ऑन द YouTube only. IS specialized के चैनल पे you will see. Okay. So next class this timing is suitable to you. This timing is suitable to you. We can lock it 8 to 9. Okay. Next class I will take you on Sunday. Like weekends where I will take it in the morning. Okay, Saturday and Sunday because I want my शाम को थोड़ा सा घूमने फिरने.
Sir, timing. What's the timing?
The timing will be 8 to 9 weekdays.
Saturday or Sunday?
9 to 11, 9 to 10 in the morning.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, please address my question that we did in the last class.
Yeah, which one?
The
ABCD. I'll come back to you.
ABCD.
Yeah. I'll come back to that. Don't worry. आज अभी क्वेश्चन है नहीं मेरे सामने. The time is almost over. First thing मुझे याद है 2 लड़कियों ने मेरे को झंझोर दिया है कि सर वो क्वेश्चन बताओ तो उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. You also do these questions to 9, 8, 29, 35 and 38. We'll discuss all the 6 question. इसमें एक जो divisibility of 10 वाला है उसको छोड़ देना क्योंकि अभी वो चीज मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं है. मैंने सोचा था आज पढ़ा लूंगा तो पढ़ा पाया नहीं. ठीक है. So except from this and then we'll attempt all 5 questions. सबसे पहले वो ABCD वाला स्टार्ट करूंगा. Yeah, tell me.
सर आप प्लीज PDF शेयर कर दोगे?
किसका?
सर जो पढ़ाया क्योंकि सर मेरे कल की क्लास नहीं हुई थी.
ये all these 2 lectures are available on YouTube only.
Okay sir.
हाँ YouTube पे दोनों लेक्चर अवेलेबल हैं.
Okay sir. सर जो होमवर्क दिया वो क्वेश्चन कहाँ से मिलेंगे?
दिस मैंने बोला ना दृष्टि की साइट से, दृष्टि IAS ऑनलाइन पेपर्स।
ओके सर।
दृष्टि की साइट पे आप जाएंगे, CSAT प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डालेंगे, CSAT 2022 आ जाएगा, CSAT 2022 भी आ जाएगा। ओके
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ठीक, चलो, have a good weekend. Next class will be most probably on Sunday because I have some work on Saturday. I will let you know all this. ठीक है? Any doubts?
नो सर।
No. Unison. सब तो बोल दो यार। किसी का पर्थ की पिस तो नहीं बनी ना? I think it's manageable.
नो सर।
We will go it slowly. Okay. गाना सुना ना सबने, slowly वैसे ही
यस सर।
ठीक है। कोर्स चाहे कितना भी बड़ा, चाहे 4 महीने 5 महीने भी लग जाए, doesn't make a difference. बट ये है कि अगर आप में से how many 37 are there, none of you should be feeling CSAT. That's it. Okay. चलो, see you on Sunday or Saturday. We'll let you know.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
good
sir.
night.
Thank
Take care.
you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.